Members of the Hynniewtrep National Youth Movement (HNYM) had come out into the streets on the 20th of October 2022 to protest against the MDA government for its inability to address the issue of unemployment amongst the youth in Meghalaya. Apart from carrying banners and posters, the members of the HNYF also shouted anti-government slogans as part of the protest. Speaking to the gathering, the president of the HNYM, Louis Dong, expressed dissatisfaction at the attitude of the government towards the unemployment scenario in the state. Dong further informed that the organization has given a 10-day period to the NPP-led MDA government to act upon the demands of the HNYF and added that should such demands be ignored, the organization will resort to other forms of agitation, which will be publicly announced after the lapse of the 10-day period.
Hilalau nem balakloy. Hilakloy nem. Bakloy nem. Hikloy banyap. Hikloy banyap. Namar jongno. Namar jongno. Hakna kapor na kaliang jongi. Ngi ai warning ya sarkar jong konra sangma. Wat ken po aya kasang HNYM. Wat ken po aya gidkhot jongi. Namar matang idang mi kena tang sitang pawa. Lada kadar kam yang iban mi deki hajar ngin mi mata kadai tang kejiksang ngan penong biang saisen bat hadian jang kadai ka meeting ka mata kasi ngem sadon ka executive committee ka central committee jo kasang lada mio jubab hapo ship house ni nadu mata kasi ka arpo trek hadu live ho trek ha ka si trek lane ka live ho trek ngem sapen bena biang da kiwai pan kijing ke biang nem biang nem